Hey, Eco Clean Queen here. Do you have a roommate or a significant other that might be a little messier than you? Here's what I mean. Hang on.
Hey, I need to use the bathroom really quick.
Okay, come in.
Hey, I need to use the room really quick.
Okay, come on in.
Hey, I want to make something to eat.
You know what? Let's go out to eat.
Pizza?
Sure. Don't sweat it. You can go out to eat once in a while. Maybe hire a house cleaner or just set up a regular schedule to clean the house and it should be okay. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel. I have plenty of cleaning video ideas coming up in the next couple weeks. And you can tap the notification bell to be notified of any other upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.